Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 10th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't kill me. So Palantir was up 15 cents, 0.77%, closed at 26.28, all even numbers. Post-market, we seem to be down by 3 cents. What does this look like? I played with the chart a little bit. So we had this channel like this. This channel like this, and then we broke outside of it and then came back in. So I don't know exactly if I need to do this. I could do this. Or I could do something like this. I'm being very honest here. I could do something like this, but I don't tend to like to do that. What I'm tempted to do is this. So I think we might be entering into a downward channel. So a local downward channel. So I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to copy this, and I have not rehearsed it at all. Ooh, but it looks pretty good. Huh? It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Look at how this, even this candle, the candle on August 30th, August 31st, the low of those candles seem to align. Maybe more the August 31st and September 9th candle. Look at the low of those candles. They have the same slope as the high of these two candles. So basically, I think we are into a downward channel. So we went up like this, we went down here, and now we are going up, and I think it's going to zigzag in between those two lines. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to see if we can understand what happened. The stock was at 26.24 right here, and then we broke out of it and came back up. What's this number? Please, TradingView, fix this. 25.77. So the stock was stuck between 25.77 and 26.24. Didn't know what it wanted to do, and now it went back up. It went back up over 26.24 to just come back down and barely make it over 26.24. Let's look at all the other indicators. So stochastic is not too bad. Stochastic is not too bad. MACD has not crossed over bearish yet. No, nothing else to talk about. So yeah, this is what I believe is happening. Let's look at stochastic is at 81, still pretty strong. RSI closed below the resistance that we had set for this part here. From a RSI perspective, the stock should not be higher here. It should be underneath this support line here, based on the force of the stock, the relative strength of the stock. MACD close to crossing over, and the MI is always a latecomer, but when it's there, we are happy because it's usually an indication of a longer term move, a bigger move, but it's always a laggard indicator. So stochastic is a very good indicator to tell us right on the minute or right on each candle what is happening. And the MACD and the MI are showing us longer terms and longer changes in trends. Downward channel, and if I'm wrong, the stock will stay above 25.74. 25.74 is also quite an important support, so we might stay above 25.74 a little while, still under this resistance before going back down a little bit further. Stochastic is still quite strong, so I would not be surprised if the stock stays a little bit over 25.74 a while before getting under. But then stochastic is going to tell us in advance. You should watch my Tesla video because we have a great example on the 1 hour chart of how you can use stochastic to understand how a stock will move in the next few candles. That was interesting. That's it for me for today and this week. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can join me during the weekend when I do my weekly technical analysis on Tesla and Palantir based on the weekly chart. That gives us a longer term view. You can watch these videos if you are a member of this channel for just $5 a month. We also have a TradingView affiliate link that you can look at if you're interested in this wonderful tool. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.